castles, dragons, moats. You know what? Ironically, and as weird as this may sound, your business is exactly like the fairy tales we used to read as children. And in this video, that's what we're going to talk about is how your beauty business is like a fairy tale and what you need to do to be successful in it. If you don't know me, if you don't know me, do you know me? Nope. Well, you about to find out. This is your boy Wick. Wicked, 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 wicked. Shut up. And what I do is work with amazing estheticians like yourself to help you make more money. That's it. That's I don't talk about too much in terms of how to do this in terms of products or the right waxing ways or this, that, and the other. Every now and then I'll dabble. But straight business, marketing, sales, money. All right, what are you talking about? Fairy tales and what's cracking in your cerebrum? This baldish area right here is this. You know, as children, I remember reading all these fairy tales that you need to reach the castle, right? You want to reach the castle where the wealth is hidden, to save the princess, to find the jewels, to make the money, right? And to me, that's what business is about. Business is about reaching that successful level, reaching that castle, uh, to get hit the marks and make the money and the success, however you want to do it, right? So whatever you see as successful, that is the castle, right? But in fairy tales, what is typically guarding the castle, right? A dragon. You look at the dragon, you look at a moat, you look at there's some serpent in the moat that you must pass to reach success, right? And in order to reach success, you have to slay the dragon. Do you remember any of these stories, right? A lot of them are very similar. Your business is no different. So you have to ask yourself, what is the dragon that you have to slay to be successful and to find your happily ever after? That dragon might be doing more videos, right? That dragon might be putting yourself out there more. That dragon might be doing presentations at a chamber of commerce, at a BNI, at any of these service, your Lions, your Elk Lodge, or whatever, right? It's doing that. Your dragon might be going to conferences. Your dragon might be passing out business cards. Your dragon might be walking out to the gym owner and seeing how you can network and connect with them, right? So to reach your castle, you have to slay the dragon, right? That's it. There's no secret. If the knight, needed to get there and the dragon is in the middle, he had to slay the dragon to reach the castle. Business, do not complicate business. Business is not hard. I cannot tell you, like, first of all, here, I'm not smart. I don't think of myself as a smart person. I just think of myself as someone who thinks differently. And I just realized because I live in reality. So the fairy tales, we have that. The reality, the dragons, there's no dragons that we have to slay. We have to slay our inner dragons, the fear we have of doing video. And I just realized, if I want to do this, if I want this level of success, then this is what I need to do. And it doesn't matter if I want to do it, if I don't want to do it. If I do it, I'll get there. If I don't do it, let's just say it's going to be harder to get there and not as likely. Does that make sense? So understand that in business, in social media, which is a free, easy tool to use, all you got to do is post more about the results you're getting clients. Stop talking about so much about, oh, I have this dermaplane, or hey, I have this. Talk about, hey, are you sick and tired of dull skin? Do you wish your makeup was easier to apply? Right? A lot of the times you want to talk about what people want in their mind. And then you have to go, this is what they want. How can I convey that message to them that I can deliver them these results? So one, what do they want? They want, nobody, people want clean and clear and beautiful skin. People want to remove wrinkles. People want to reduce acne. People want to not have patchy hyperpigmentation, skin, etc. Right? So that's what they want. And because this world is so noisy, you have to take and literally elevate your output of what you're doing. And you are not doing that. Here, I'm straight up gonna tell you, right? You are not doing that because there is a dragon that you have not slayed. There's something standing between you and putting yourself out there to your clients. So, I wish there was an easier way. I'm working on a couple of programs. I'm trying to put a couple of things together to make a little bit of more easier step-by-step process. Dragon training 101, how to defeat your dragons, right? And it's gonna put some of these tools together because I want to help you with that journey as much as I can. But a lot of it is just you knowing how to do it. Like here, I need to lose weight. I'm very upfront about it because my ass is getting fat and I just need to stop. Right? Do I need to take courses on losing weight? Do I need to take and research losing weight? No. You know what? I already know what I need to do. I need to exercise more. I need to stop eating ice cream and other sweets, which I did yesterday, and I like feel like poop because I'm like, dude, it wasn't even worth it. Why do I keep doing that to myself, right? Right? And then that's it. And then rinse and repeat. I need to eat less crap, maybe cut down on some carbs, unhealthy carbs, eat more veggies, right? Shit, I can write a course on how to lose weight. So those are my dragons that I need to slay. The castle for me is that six-pack abs and being ripped and all this stuff. And the dragon that stays between me and myself are tacos and nachos. So I got to be like, taco, nacho, here, ice cream, and slay those dragons, and that's it. So do not make this harder. And remember, you can have your happily ever after. You can be in your castle with all the jewels and the riches you've dreamed of once you slay that dragon. So figure out, one, what is your dragon? Two, what are some of the steps you need to do to slay that dragon? And then three, freaking live the good life. That's it, right? So in the comments below, what is your dragon? What is the one thing you need to slay to level up to get to your castle and so you can live your happily ever after? Comment below. I can't wait to read. I'm excited. Today, my dragon is my office. So, and this is my commitment to you. If my office is not clean by the next video I do tomorrow, not today, in case I do decide to do another one today, it might still be messy, I don't know. But tomorrow, I will give you, if you point it out, within a day, that's it, right? I will give you 20 bucks. Just go, Wick, your office, you said you were going to clean it. Looks horrible. But nope. So that's my commitment because I have to do it. So that's my dragon. I'm going to slay that dragon. I got a few more I got to work on after that. But comment below. Can't wait to read it. Peace.